Every bright future begins with a moment of wonder. One spark can change how a child sees the universe. And one moment can show them what they are capable of. Here, confidence glows brighter, step by step. And curiosity travels far beyond museum walls. When a child discovers what they love, their path begins to shine. Here, a child's question becomes confidence. And what happens after that? A spark of interest becomes a clear path, a path destined for big things. Hand in hand and heart to heart, the light moves forward. Your gifts light their paths.